Hello everybody. It's time to get some exercise in. I'm LW, as you should know, and this is the LW500 Latch Bar exercise system. This is my logo. And we're just going to do a general workout today. How about that? So we're going to start off with anything. This is sitting here in my way. Instead of me putting it away, I'll just do some bench press. Let me set my timer so I can at least account for what I'm doing here. And we're ready to go. A little bit of strengthening exercise, how about that? And since it's here, just my bench, back, and we'll do some pulls with our back and our abdomen. That exercise in particular is good, especially if you don't like to do sit-ups. Do this exercise instead. It's almost equivalent. Man, this is one heck of a way to start off. We're really getting to it right away. If you want to do strengthening, if you just want to do toning, whatever you want to do, you can do it using the latch bar attachment system. You want to do more press? You want to do a press in a lying position? You can do that too. Whatever way you want to do a press. If you want to do a press while standing, we can accommodate that too. You want more difficulty? Add more resistance. Or add more reps. Either way, you will accomplish the same thing. And when you're adding more reps and you happen to add more speed, that's when you start to work on those cuts. And that definition that you're looking for. Because you're burning the calorie and you're adding muscle. And that's what we want to accomplish. We definitely want to burn the calorie. Burning the calorie is most important. So that's what it's all about. Burning those calories up. And once you can get that under control, you're home free. So we're just doing a random workout using whatever we feel. This is the Latch Bar exercise system, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be around a while, so you might as well get used to it. You want a good workout? Use the Latch Bar exercise system, and you will get the workout of your life as long as you apply it. Nothing is accomplished without applying yourself. You want to get out of the Stone Age using inadequate latch bar attachments or inadequate resistant band attachments. The latch bar provides you the attachment method that you won't believe. But you know the saying, seeing is believing. So I don't want you to just see it. I want you to try it. Because that is much more effective. Results. Getting results is what you're looking to do. So if you are applying your workout, you will get results. As I am getting now. I am rapidly getting tired. Which means I am being effective. This exercise, this product, is just right for all of you. And yes, You're supposed to get tired when you work out. So that's what we're doing. We're making ourselves tired. And if I make myself tired, that means I'll have completed a good workout. You could be doing the same. The Latch Bar attachment system is available on my website, www.LW500products.net. It is a secure website. The more you do, the more you'll love the Latchbar exercise system. And I understand you have to see it, and then you have to try it. It's unlimited exercise that you can do using this system. You will never be bored. Just take a look at all the different items, all the different exercise that I am doing. Utilizing the Latchbar exercise system. You could be doing the same thing in your own home, in the safety, should I say, of your own home. If you don't want to go out and work out or exercise, you don't have to. The Latchbar exercise system will enable you to do it on your own, in the privacy of your home and the safety of your home, where you're not exposed to any of this stuff that's going around. Resistance bands are healthier for you. No, you don't eat them. You use them to work out, to burn the calories from all the food that you've either eaten or have drank. Calories don't only come from the food you eat, it comes from a lot of our beverages just as well. So you have to be aware of what you're eating as well as what you're drinking. At times, the sugar content in your beverage is a lot more harmful than anything that you eat. Always remember that. The best mineral that we can drink is water. I know a lot of us say, I don't like to drink water. Well, try and drink as much as you can every day. So as we continue, pull this one out. I haven't shown this in some time, but it's the same. It's a larger, it's the Deluxe Latch Bar. We can do the same exercise with this and more. Remember, you have 5 latches on the Deluxe Latch Bar, and on the basic latch bar, you have only 3. But yes, you can do the same exercise with either one. You just have more of an opportunity with this Deluxe Latch Bar. So instead of having our resistance band on the middle latch bar, we have them spread out evenly, and you can subtract and add as you like. You can also do the semi-squat. Yes, getting in a good one. You could be doing the same. I have to keep emphasizing that you could be doing the exact same as you see OLW doing. In the privacy of your own home. Very, very important. The latch bar attachment system can be used to create your own private home gym, as you can see. It can also be used in the portability state, which I have hanging on my wall. But these units, these items, you could also put in a backpack, a shoulder pack, or of course, an equipment bag. So there are many opportunities for you to carry your equipment from place to place, or you can mount it and keep it in one place. And keep in mind, we do have the full latch bar assembly available now on my website. Yes, it comes in 3 portions, and all you have to do, you'll have to use a drill to put some holes in the wall, but it's very, very simple to do. And each portion you stack right on top of the other. So the sections will come 2 feet by 3 feet, and there will be 3 sections. When you're finished, it will look like this without this, but it'll look much more attractive in your home. The product will come sanded. The face of the surface will be sanded, and there will be molding around the outside. And also, you can add your own decor to it. You don't have to make it look like this. You can make it look like yours. That's what you do. So now we have down here our push-up bar. Everybody loves to do push-ups. So there's several ways of doing a push-up, but the most common way that everyone's familiar with is this push-up. Don't want to leave out the push-ups. So if you're working out, you want to make sure you get those push-ups in. We all love to make sure we stay on top of strengthening our arms. And of course, push-ups will do that. But most of us feel that when you're working out, you only need to work your arms out. You need to work out your core. I was telling a friend of mine earlier, as he expressed to me what he does in the gym, he's using weights, and he's a 60-year-old man. What are weights going to do for you except for injuring you? And besides, you need to use your body in order to work on your core. And if you're only using your arms to do arm-type activities, nothing will happen to your core. So that's why you see me continue to emphasize working out on your core. If you straighten your core out, everything else will be really attractive. Because right now, I see people walking around, their arms are really, really defined, and everything else has suffered. So they're only working on their arms, and maybe or perhaps they feel that's attractive, but maybe it is to some, I don't know. I don't look at that. If you're in shape from top to bottom. That's the way I view it. Doesn't matter if you're a man, woman, or child. You got to be in shape from head to toe. So my product, the Latchbar exercise system, encapsulates all of that so that you can do a full body workout and you can make yourself, if you apply it, a completely new self. That's right, you will feel completely new because all that medication that you were taking, the dosage is now lower. You're feeling a lot better. Your respiratory is better. You're feeling better. Everything is working better because you did your job diligently. And that's what we all have to do. We have to get busy because all of us are looking like we're a bunch of lazy bums because we're all out of shape. And that's how you got there, by being lazy. I do the same thing. I'm not trying to smooth it over. I know because I'm just as guilty as you. But I'm here to tell you, you can correct it better than what you have if you do something. You may not get to the point that you're going to look like you're a teenager again, because none of us will look like that. But you can certainly improve on what you got. Yep, you can improve on what you got if you put an effort into it. If you don't put an effort into it, it doesn't happen. So I'm trying to give you some encouragement to let you know that it's never too late. Because if it was too late, I would have threw the towel in a long time ago. You don't have to throw the towel in. You can still get busy and you can still get results. You're not trying to be a bodybuilder. You're trying to promote good health. Our bodybuilding days are over. You want to promote good health. You want muscle definition and all that? Uncover it with all of that stuff that you got on top of it. That's how you do it. Like I said, you pay a lot of money for maintenance for your car. And you pay a lot of money for maintenance for your body too. Because all that medication costs a lot of money. You can lessen the cost of the medication by providing some maintenance, real maintenance to your body. You know, I used to work for a pharmaceutical company, Pfizer, as a matter of fact, and my position was a trainer. After a while, that's what I walked away from being at my age of retirement. And I didn't think that training was going to be in my future. Lo and behold, little did I know. I'm not just trying to train a business, I'm trying to train everybody. How about that? I have the whole world as an audience, not just a campus. And we're just getting started. I'm like the good old chiropractor. See me now or see me later. Exactly. And you older people, you older crowd, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Because when these bones start hanging up and that pain comes, the only one that can help you at that point is the chiropractor. I know a lot of you don't want to hear it, but it's true. They are a lot smarter than what we give them credit for being. Because adjustments to your vertebrae does absolute wonders. But just like anything else, a lot of this stuff you can do for yourself. You just have to get out there and do it. You have to apply yourself if you want anything done. That's all it is to it. If you do not apply yourself, it doesn't happen. So, you have a choice to make. You can either suffer or you can do something about it. Because getting in shape will definitely do something about it. It'll make you feel better. It'll make everything that you do easier to do, even at this age. That's right. Walking up and down stairs, we took for granted when we were young. because it was so easy to do. But you walk up and down the flight of stairs a couple times now, you're gonna have to sit down and rest. That's right. And that's because we are out of shape. Not because we're old, it's because we're out of shape. You can get that body back in tip-top shape, trust me, if you apply yourself. And that's the key. You gotta apply yourself. If you don't apply yourself, get no results. And you will continue to feel miserable. I'm laughing because this feels great. And you should try it so that you would feel the same way. Feels so good. That's right. It almost makes you feel young again. But that's all in your mind. Age is just a number. And you can do a lot of things no matter what age you are. But you're never going to feel younger. You're just going to feel better. Because you've done something about how bad you were feeling. Exercise is the answer. On every regimen, on every health procurement, exercise is always included. Now, all of you know that. That's why you're here watching me. But I want you to do better. I want you to start on your own. Log on to that Latchbar exercise website. I know it just looks like a piece of wood, but these doggone pieces of wood that I've designed all up will get you in the best shape of your life. And I know what I'm talking about. I am not only the designer, the patent owner, the manufacturer, the distributor of this product, I am also a client. That's right. And with all those different hats that I wear, the one I wear the most and the best is what you see me doing. Trying to relate to you and trying to convince you that you are also able to do what you see me doing. That is right. All you have to do is try. They're not like weights. It's a resistance band. It's not going to drop on you and hurt your foot or anything like that. So you need to trust in what you're doing and use user-friendly products. I call this a user-friendly product. It's user-friendly because it's easy to use. It's not computerized. It's all straightforward. You can just start your workout as you receive your product. No onboard trainer or nothing like that. And for the most part, depending on what you're purchasing, you don't have to break the bank. In order to get started, you can even buy one piece of my product, one component at a time, if that's what you felt that you wanted to do. That's right. You don't have to buy a starter kit, but starter kits are available. Wall mounting products are available. And now, even the entire wall mount board is available. And a door mount board is also available. So, it's up to you. And I will make a short little presentation, demo. Here is the full mount wall board that you see. I will turn it around so that you can see that it is the full wall mount board. Now this is only 2 sections, and this would be rather difficult, but this is what I use to display. So this would be, as it is, a little difficult to mount on your wall, but it wouldn't be too difficult. But as I send it to you, you will receive it in 3 sections. Now the door mount is one piece completely, and you would mount this either on your wall, if you like, or on your door, whichever you like. You know those wedges and stuff that you put in your doors? This will eliminate all those wedges. And look, you have 9 latches on 3 different levels that you would be able to attach your resistance bands to and work out. And you can place this wherever you want because you can add your own personal decor to it because the wood is neutral and it's a sanded product. So it'll be nice and smooth. All you'll have to do is either stain, varnish, paint, oil, whatever technique you'd like to use, do so. Be my guest. I just want to make it easy, make it so that you have the same product that I have so that you can work out just as you see me working out. Now all these other apparatuses, you can take them and you can even mount them on the floor, as I have done with the sit-on latch bar. It's one on the floor here, it's one on the floor over there, and you can even mount the regular Deluxe flat latch bar on the floor. We have one set up here. It's set up so that we can conduct squats. So this one has a bit more tension. So we have a cushion in the middle because it's going to be rough on your neck and your shoulder blade level, whatever it is up there, not your shoulder blades, but your neck. It's going to be very uncomfortable. So you want to put something around the bar so that you're not uncomfortable. And then you can generate your squats. Now all of these exercises combined is going to have you looking at your best. But only if you do them. So you want to make sure that you take time out and add a general workout into your daily routine. You can do it. That's right. This old guy is encouraging you. You can see me do this, you can do it. Log on to my YouTube channel. It's called the Latch Bar. And you will be able to see, it's probably up to about 200 now, 200 videos, workout demonstrations, how to utilize the product, and certainly how to do a workout. You'll see all of that on my YouTube channel. And of course, the website is www.LW500products.net. You can't go wrong. Don't give up on yourself. Look, you've done a good job so far trying to avoid all this illness out here. You're still here. Give yourself more strength, because exercising also builds up your immune system. Now, I know we need vaccinations, but we're still can catch this stuff. The more you work out at home, don't go to those gyms because it's too much exposure to germs that you don't want. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to stop people from going to gyms. I'm just telling the truth. Okay? And I'm offering you something that you could do, your own privacy. And actually, you'll get a better workout at home, because in my experience in going to a gym, there was more socializing going on than working out. Work out at your home, you'll get something accomplished. And you have the system in order to get that done. This system is portable. This system can be mounted to be stationary, and you can do a workout like you wouldn't believe, like a crazy person. That's it. Look, thank you all very much. I've taken up enough of your time, and I've talked more than enough. So I want to hear from you. Have a great day, and thank you very much.